time is running short. We cannot transform the world by tweaking around the edges. It's time to move from issues to systems. It's time to move from why we do it to how we do it. The good news is, we know economic growth and the environment can thrive together. Every day, new innovations are changing the way we live and consume. And citizens are more aware of their environmental footprint than ever before. But how do we cut across the silos and address climate change, biodiversity loss, and sustainable consumption and production in order to deliver impact? We need to embrace circularity, reduce, reuse, and redesign. We need to reset our relationship with nature. We need to rethink the way our cities function and thrive. We need to keep cool and keep the planet from heating up. And it's time for the renewables race to turn into a sprint for humanity. At the next UN Environment Assembly in Nairobi, we will bring together hundreds of world leaders, civil society, private sector partners, and citizens to craft solutions that resolve and make the kinds of changes humanity needs to thrive. Scientists have calculated we need to triple our ambition on climate change. So I challenge you, as our window of opportunity gets smaller by the hour, what does triple look like for you? For climate, for nature, for consumers, for people, for planet, for posterity. What are you ready to bring to the table? So stay tuned for the Environment Assembly, where we aim to think beyond and live within. It's now time to solve different.